Hello my dear students, welcome to art class. In today's class we are going to draw this rainy scene. Place your sheets horizontally. Now first draw a slanting line like this and some curved lines from here. Now draw clouds. And some bushes here. Now I am drawing a boy here. Now I am drawing a water puddle here and some here as well. Draw a semicircle for the umbrella. And a triangle here. Now complete these bushes. Now our drawing is ready. Sketch it with a sketch pen. After sketching it, take dark brown and light brown color. First, do dark brown color around the edges here. Then take light brown color blend both the colors like I am doing here. After that, color this remaining area very lightly with brown color. Like this. Take dark brown color and color very lightly in his legs. Blend it with your fingers. Then take blue color and color these puddles. There, here and here as well. Color the clouds as well. Color the clouds in circular motion like I am doing here. And take blue sketch pen and draw tiny droplets. After that, take light green and dark green color. First color it with light green color. Then take dark green color and color around here. And do light green color in the bushes. And dark green color in the lower part of the bushes. Again I am doing color here in circular motion. Color all the bushes in the same pattern. Then you can take any color to color his clothes, like I have taken here red sketch pen. Color it fully. And for the pants I am doing green color. And you can color your umbrella with any color you like. For the